Cool, so what we're going to do is we've got about a 12:1 mixture in here, slightly weaker than a 12:1 mixture. Hydrochloric acid, 33%, and water. So what we're going to do is we're going to work our way up from the bottom of the wall to the top. That way then you won't get any run marks coming down the brick, because if you do get any dripping coming down the brick as you move up the wall, you won't get the area that it's dripping onto will have already been acid washed, will have already had an etch, so it shouldn't affect the brick. So that's the safest way of doing it. Do it on a dry wall, don't do it on a wet wall. There's a lot of conflicting advice out there about pre-wetting the wall before you put the acid on. A, it means you can't see where you've been, and B, it means you further dilute the acid, so whatever you've already diluted your acid to, you're further diluting it. So you better get your dilution right first time round and apply it to a dry wall so you can see where you've been. Other key point to note is that we're going to have to split these walls up into manageable chunks. So we've got a nice end wall here, but it's still probably a bit too wide to tackle all in one shot, as in work our way right across the wall from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to split it down the middle, choose a mortar line like here, and I'll finish on that. I'll work my way from the bottom to the top of the house, and then we'll move across and do the next panel. It's ready to clean off with a light a light water blast here. It'll be ready to clean off as soon as it stops fizzing. So we'll get into it, and we'll let the demo do the talking. The acid washing part of it done, team. We're going to start from this corner of the house, and we started with the acid to clean off with a light water blast, and this acid will be inert now. It's finished, it's done its job. We can't afford to let it dry on the house, so we need to move quick. We can see it's starting to dry a little bit at the bottom already here, but we'll get onto that now, give that a light water blast. By the time we reach the end of the house, that acid will be inert as well, so we'll get on with it.